Stop shaking your head. Because that's sacrifice. You should stop shaking your head.
Okay, my people, this is the man on the street and I dey for inside PG News Network. My people, we talk about giving a story what happened before this lockdown corona matter. What happened for Rivers State as Governor Nyesom Wike dey for one meeting. They address some people as on shift. That one shift called they shake head like say, "Oga, wetin they talk, they right." You know that kind of way you go they shake head to impress the person where they talk. Now Nyesom Wike say, "Hey, where you? Hey, you stop to the shake your head. Stop to the shake your head. That shake where you shake na fake, heavy fake. I know you wait, maybe you. I know you not fake." It's someone I see a small boy, you very small boy. Where you just grow, just get shifters, he can't spread like virus. Now him, see him, now small boy, I know how. That year when they school, now when they send message, they wear short knicker, waka, they run about. Now when they send message, see how they shake head. They say, "Come, that your shake head, and not fake. Now heavy fake. Now you be. I know you wait. He say, "See, I'm gonna see him. He wear cloth like Usman down for you."
Stop shaking your head. Because that's sacrifice. You should stop shaking your head. You are one of those who are causing problem. They gave you chieftaincy, a young boy, so you don't even know what to do with it. And then when I'm speaking, you are shaking your head like this. Oh, fake. Causing problem everywhere. You just go and wear something that's bigger than you. When somebody looking for power, you would think that an elderly person, very small young man, this one. I know when I was in school, he was running around, going for errand. Now he's wearing Osman Danfodio. That you begin to breach a protocol. He thinks that when he's shaking his head, that I will be happy. That's fake.
In fact, he yab the man, so tell the man shock, say, "Wait, now me they yab like this. Me will be double shift, now they yab like this. You know that kind yab where they go yab, your spirit go leave you there one corner, go stand, they look, you say, it's too much. But guy, you're so wicked, you say, you dey trouble there your body. We think that already this corona you get trouble. Your trouble don't say. My people, this is the PG News Network, and a man on the street with this.